Okay, so I talked to you about setting up the light and then doing some bulb maintenance to the light if you have to. This is some actual positioning help instruction. So this is called the 45-degree rule, and here's kind of what it is. So basically, you want the light to always be 45 degrees up and 45 degrees one way or the other from your direct line of sight from your eyeballs straight into the camera lens. So if your eyeballs into the camera lens is a straight line, 45 left or 45 right, and then either both of those, 45 degrees up. So let me kind of explain with some doodles. Okay, so this is the side view. So as a reporter anchor, this is you. You are peering deeply into the soul of the camera. The soul of the viewer is peering deeply back into you. This is your zero plane, right? So from the side, set up like this, you want to look straight in. So that's 0. 45 degrees up, that's where you want to set the height of your light, right? So I kind of drew it like this, like the setup with the reflector that I have. Even if it was a light just pointing straight at you, it's the same concept, right? It's just the direction of light. With the umbrella, added benefit, you get all this light kind of trickling out from behind, which makes everything look really nice and awesome. But from the side, you want to have the light positioned 45 degrees up. Okay, so a little confusing. Here's a top-down view, okay? And it doesn't matter whether it's on, the left side of you, and by it I mean the light, or the right side of you, right? This, grab a marker here. This is looking down at you. You're always going to be looking straight into the camera. Camera's looking straight back at you, right? So that is 0 degrees in this aspect. You always want this light to be positioned. So from here, there's that light. Or on this side, there's that light. This and this. That's 45 degrees. That's 45 degrees. Doesn't matter which side it's on. So it's easy to remember. It's 45 up and it's 45 one way or the other, okay? So if you set your camera up here, doesn't matter which side, like say there's a chair here in the way, put it over here. Basically, the idea is that you don't want light coming from the exact same angle as the camera straight at you, right? It flattens out all your features. You don't see definition in your cheeks and your nose, and by going 45 over one way or the other and 45 degrees up, the light kind of falls across your face. You see your brow line, you see a little slight shadow from your nose and from your lips and from your ears. It makes you look more three-dimensional. So that is the 45-degree rule, and that's how you easily always set up your light.